In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Maths questions under simple interest. Alright, so these are repeated questions under simple interest. We have 6 questions here to practice with. So let's begin with this first one. So it says a man invested 5,000 naira for 9 months at 4% rate. What is the simple interest? Alright, so as we all know, the formula for simple interest is principal times time times rate over 100. So this is P. So in this question, let's get our parameters. We have our principal to be 5,000 naira. We have our rate to be 4%, and we have the time is in months to convert it to years. Alright, so if you convert 6 months to a year, you're going to have 9 months to a year is 2 over 4. Let me show you. So it's going to be half of a year plus the quarter. So when in the math, LCM is 4, 2 into 4 is 2 times 1 is 2, this is 2, plus 4 into 4 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so this will give you 2 over 4. So at this juncture, you impute the values to this formula to solve it. So the principal is 5,000 naira times the time now is 3 over 4. So you can choose to convert 2 over 4 to decimal to make it easy for you. 3 divide 4. This is the output. We have it to be 0.75. Okay, so times 0.75 times rate is 4 over 100. So let's punch everything on the calculator. So we have 5,000, okay, times 0.75, okay, times 4. All the outputs, 15,000 divide 100. So we have it to be 150 naira. So guys, the simple interest is 150 naira. So it's as simple as this. So that's how you can solve this kind of problem. Let's wipe this and go to the next question. So the next question I have here says, if the simple interest on 550 naira at 4% per annum is this value 229, find the time. Alright, so for our formula, simple interest equals to principal times time times rate over 100. So in this question, we are looking for the value of time. Let's get the parameters. So in the question, we have simple interest SI to be 220 naira. Okay, we have the principal to be 550 naira. We have the rate to be 4%. We are looking for the time is unknown. So when you cross multiply from here, we're going to have simple interest is 220 times 100 over our principal is 550 times rate. So if you want to make T the solid formula, time will be this. Okay, so when you punch this in the calculator, let's punch everything together on this calculator. So this is going to give us 220, okay, times 100, all the outputs. So we have it 22,000 naira. Okay, so 22,000 naira, we have 540 times 4. Okay, 2,200 naira. So this is going to give us 22,000 naira divide 2,200 naira. So what will be the output? So we have it to be 10. So the time will be 10 years. It's as simple as this. So that's how you can basically solve this. Alright, so we are making progress. Alright, basically for those of you that don't know how I arrive at this solution, remember when you cross multiply, initially you're going to have 220 times 100 equals 550 times 4 times time. So to make t the square formula, divide both sides by 540 times 4. Okay, so that's basically what I did. This will cancel this, so t will be this output. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this and solve the next question I have here. Okay, questions on simple interest are usually very easy, guys. So next question is this. So we have, at what rate we simple interest on this? So let's get the formula. We have simple interest equals to principal times time times rate over 100. So at what rate with the interest on 400 increase to? So in this question, the simple interest is 24 naira. The principal is 400 naira. The time is 3 years. We're looking for rate out. So when it costs multiply, it will be simple interest is 24 times 100 over. So our rates will be, our principal is 400. Rates will be this 400 times. So our time is 3 years. This will cancel this. We are left with 4 times 3, 12. So we are left with 24 over 12. 24 over 12 will give us 2. So the rate will be 2%. So the correct option to this question is option B. Alright, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the next question. So this should be the fourth question. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so look at this question, guys. It says, if the simple interest on a sum of money invested at 2.5% per annum for 5 years is to find the principal. So from the formula, we have simple interest equals to principal times time times rates over, this is R over 100. Okay, so we have the simple interest SI to be 225 naira rather. Let me clean it. So we have it to be 225 naira, which is 2. Okay, and we have the rate to be 2.5 rates. Okay, and we have the time to be 5 years. We are looking for the principal, is unknown. So when it costs multiply, our principal will be simple interest, okay, times 100. Simple interest is 325 naira times 100 over principal. Now be, our time is 5 years times 2.5, something that's 2.5. So where you divide 5 is 1, 5 into this, you're going to have 20. Okay, so you punch everything on a calculator now. So you're going to have 325 times 20 divide. Could you just check the output? Okay, divide 2.5. So we have it to be 2,600 naira. So that will be the principal. The correct option is what, option D. So it's as simple as this, guys. Making progress. So let's wipe this and solve the next question. This should be the fifth question. Okay, so the next question. So we have this question. Let's solve this, guys. It says the simple interest on this number 8,550 naira for 3 years at X% per annum is this. Calculate the value of X to the nearest whole number. Okay, we're looking for the rate, guys. So basically, from our formula, simple interest equals to principal times time times rate over 100. So this is going to give us Now our simple interest is 4,890 naira. Okay, our principal is 8,550 naira. Our time is 3 years. We are looking for the rate is unknown. So when you cross multiply, your rate will be, so simple interest is 4,890 naira times 100 over the principal is 8,550 naira times the years is 3 years. So let's punch everything together on the calculator. Okay, so this is 4,890 naira times 100. So this gives us 489,000 naira. Okay, so we're going to divide it by what we're going to have here, 489,000. Okay, let's delete this. 8,550 naira times 3. So let's write this down so we're not going to forget it. So here we have 25,650 naira. So let's now solve everything together. We're going to be 489,000 divide 25,650. So what's the output? We have it to be 19.06. and we have to calculate the value of x, the nearest whole number. So guys, the nearest whole number, this 0 is not up to 5, so you can round it off as 1 to this 19. So basically the answer to this question is option D, 19%. That's the value to the nearest whole number. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the last question, and after it we can call it a class. So guys, if you are new to our channel and enjoying this video, ensure that you hit the subscribe button now. Subscribe this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this, guys. So let's solve the last question. Let's wipe this. So guys, let's look at this question. It says find the simple interest rate per annum at which 1,000 naira accumulates to 1,249 years. So our formula, simple interest equals to principal times time times rate over 100. So our simple interest in this question will be, you subtract 1,000 from 1,249. So when you do so, you're going to have, okay, 1,249 minus 1,000, which will give us 240 naira. That's a simple interest, whereas our principal is 1,000 naira. Okay, then our time is 3 years. We are looking for the rate, which is unknown. So when you cross multiply, it will be simple interest, which is 240 naira times 100 divide by principal is 1,000 naira times the time. So let's punch this on the calculator. But before you do that, 240 naira times 100 will give us 24,000 naira. Okay, divide by 3,000 naira. So this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. So 24 divided 3 will give us 8. So basically the rate will be 8%. Okay, so that will be the value of R for this question. Okay, so it's as simple as this. This is basically how you can solve these JAMB everyday question, simple interest, easy and fast. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you're new to our channel, once more, ensure that you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Right now, click on the screen above. Now, I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.